Hello everyone, my name is Shinde Pooja. Today's our topic is Financial Management CI second, and I am going to present Working Capital Management. First of all, we see the definition of working capital. Working capital management is a business strategy designed to ensure that a company operates efficiently by monitoring and using its current assets and liabilities to the best effect. Working capital means funds available and used for day to day operations and enterprises. It current broadly of that a portion of assets of a business which are used in related to its current operations and refers to funds which are used to during and accounting period to generate a current income of a type which is consist with major purposes of a firm existence. Second is types of working capital. The concept of working capital includes current assets and liabilities both. There are two concepts of working capital management. They are gross and net working capital. First, we see the gross working capital. Gross working capital refers to the firm investment in current assets, and current assets are the assets which can be converted into cash within an accounting year or operating cycles, and it's include cash, short in securities, debitors, bills, receivables, and stock. The second is the net working capital. Net working capital refers to the difference between current assets, and current liabilities. Are those a claim of outsider which is expected to mature and payment within an accounting year. So, next is importance of working capital. Working capital is the lifeblood and nerve center of business. First, we see the solvency of a business. Adequate working capital helps in maintaining solvency of the business by providing flow of production and income. Second, goodwill. Sufficient working capital enable a business to make a profit payment and enhance help in creating and maintain goodwill. Third one is a cash discount. Aquatic working capital also enable concern to able cash discount on the purchase, and hence it is reduce cost. Fourth is regular payment and salaries, wages, and other day to day commitments. A company which has a working capital can make regular payment of salaries, wages, and other day to day commitments, which rise the moral and its employees increase their efficiency, reduce wastage and cost, and enhance production and profit. Last one is working capital management operating cycle. Inventory, receivable, cash, payable. The cash operating cycle is the number of days between paying suppliers and receivable cash from sales. First is inventory. The first part of the cycle represent the current inventory level and how long it will take the company to sell this inventory. Second is receivable. The second stage of the cash cycle is the debt sale and receivable calculation. This measure the amount of time it takes to collect the cash from credit sales credit card. Now, third is payable. How the length of time a company has taken to pay. its current vendors for inventory and other goods purchase, and measures how well the business in managing its account payable. The timely managing of the cash flow is a vital skill for sustaining a successful business. So this is all about my side. Thank you so much.